Thank you, Toastmaster. One click is all it takes. Today, you can buy the world with just a touch of your fingers. All thanks to e commerce. E commerce has become an inevitable part of our lives. In 2018, there were 1.8 billion global digital buyers, a number that has increased to 2.41 billion by 2021. And this is actually one third of the entire world population. And today, e commerce has come to us as a solace, having the luxury of being able to buy goods and items without stepping out of a house would not have been possible a mere few years ago. The reduced time and increased efficiency of goods and services is unparalleled and unmatchable. The low financial capital required is another sweet advantage. But at what cost? Today, every single consumer of an e commerce website is at a threat to data breach. A 2020 cybersecurity report found that 77% of the businesses surveyed had to buy new security equipment and increase their security staff. Yet, data breaches could not be stopped. eBay, an online retailer site, had to ask its 145 million users to change their password. That is more people's password just practically given away than the entire country of Russia. I would like to ask a question to the audience to ponder upon. Have you ever noticed whenever you search something on Google, after a while, you can see that search related products on your social medias, Facebook, Instagram, etc. That is the data consent you give to these social media platforms to actually use them. Data today is or more precious than gold. And e-commerce is both the mine and the jeweler using that gold. Furthermore, e-commerce industry has killed and will continue to kill local stores and jobs if its current rate of usage continues. According to a study by Euler Hermes, 6,70,000 net jobs have been lost in the US since 2008. That study also showed that for every job created in e commerce, 4.5 jobs are lost by traditional retailers. I have myself heard shopkeepers tell me, Madam, please buy our stuff, or else with this Amazon and all, no one's there to buy itself. And if this trend continues, 500,000 jobs will be lost by 2025 itself. Ladies and gentlemen, for future job seekers like me, the job market does not look bright. Another alarming issue in e commerce is the monopoly in the market. Region wise, in 2019, while finding 10 of the largest e commerce markets, Statista ranked China and the US highest with $740 billion and $561 billion in revenue, respectively, while the lowest among the 10 was Brazil with $16 billion in revenue. Can you see the difference between the first ranker and the 10th ranker in this? This is the drastic difference that is present in the e commerce market, with companies like Amazon and Alibaba having abundant money to bleed. Smaller online and offline retail markets are losing their business. In 2009 and 10, Amazon lost a total of $200 million to undercut an emerging rival QDC. But that price did not make a difference, as today Amazon earns $408 million a day. So, if we compare each dollar to a brick, Amazon every day makes 160 castles a day. Ladies and gentlemen, Amazon makes 160 castles a day. There is a concentrated monopoly running rampant within the industry. One of the reasons for this issue to be taking place is the lack of sufficient law to protect both the consumer and the producer. Let's face it, the industry is running at a rocket pace, but the laws, sitting on a horse cart, are just not being able to catch up. So, what can we do? We, as consumers and producers, can be cautious, vigilant, and aware. Know what you're clicking and when. Look for the lock symbol before the website ID. Use safer domain names while you are selling or buying through e commerce. These are just small tips that could go a long way in helping to protect yourself from e commerce scams. So, to fellow Toastmasters and dear guests, I ask, the consumer is here at risk. The job seekers have their chances reduced. A new entrepreneur has stakes held high against him. Is the current way of running e commerce truly the future we are looking for? Over to you, TMOD.